Hello students, I hope you have read the chapter Gopal and the Hilsa fish. Now proceeding to our next exercise, open page 42, working with the text. So here first question is, why did the king want no more talk about the Hilsa fish? So what is the answer? If you have read the chapter thoroughly, then you can answer. The answer is, the king was very much fed up with the common talk about the Hilsa fish. The king was very much fed up with the common talk about the Hilsa fish. Why he was fed up? Because everyone talked about Hilsa fish at marketplace, at houses, or at court. Right? So next question, what did the king ask Gopal to do to prove that he was clever? What is the answer? The king asked Gopal to buy a huge Hilsa fish and bring it to the palace without anyone talking about it. The king challenged, right? That king challenged and Gopal accepted after that. So what did the king ask Gopal to do? What is the challenge of the king? The challenge was, the king asked Gopal to buy a huge Hilsa fish and bring it to the palace without anyone talking about it. This was the challenge. Next question, what three things did Gopal do before he went to buy Hilsa fish? What were the three things the Gopal do when he went to buy Hilsa fish? The three things Gopal did before he went to buy Hilsa fish: he half shaved his face, right? Smeared ash on it. He put on rags. Rags means torn clothes. Torn clothes, right? He half shaved his face and he smeared ash on it. These three things were Gopal did. Next question, how did Gopal get inside the palace to see the king after he had bought the fish? So, how did the Gopal get inside? At first, Gopal was not allowed by the gatekeeper to enter the palace. Why? Why did he not allow? Because he was looking so crazy and weird. That's why the gatekeeper didn't allow him to enter the palace, right? So at first Gopal was not allowed by the gatekeeper to enter the palace. He then began to dance and sing loudly. He then began to dance and sing loudly. The king ordered to bring the noisemaker in the palace. Question 5. Explain why no one seemed to be interested in talking about the Hilsa fish which Gopal had bought. What is the answer, beta? Gopal's outfit and his peculiar look were such that no one bothered about the Hilsa fish he had brought. Why? None seemed to be interested in talking about the Hilsa fish. Why? Because Gopal had behaved so crazily and his outfit was so peculiar that he looked crazy and he attracted everyone's attention towards him. He behaved so crazily that he attracted everyone's attention towards him. This is the answer of question 5. Next is your true false. There are 5 sentences and these 5 sentences are quite easy. You can do it yourself, right? So these 6 questions you have to do in your school notebook. Next question is working with language. So before to attempt this question, we have to understand what is reported speech. So reported speech is what we say, reported speech is a grammar topic that we can do later on. So right now leave this question. The next question is, Your question 2, find page 43. Find out the meaning of the following words by looking them up in the dictionary. Then use them in sentences of your own. So these are the words: challenge, courtier, mystic, smearing, comical. You have to write down the meanings. We have already done these meanings in our new words. Then make a sentence of your own. Make a sentence, use these words in your sentences and make it. Right? So do these questions in your notebook. Thank you.